Welcome to everyone joining us today for the announcement of the 2022 Trends International Design Awards for Australian homes. Over the last couple of years of lockdowns, then shortages of material, plus pressures on trades, meant home design and construction projects were being delayed and often not completed in time for photography and entry into awards. This year has seen an easing of those difficulties, and as a result, it's been great to see so many entries into this year's TIDA homes. So firstly, thanks to all the designers and architects who have continued to support TIDA, and to those who have entered for the first time. I'd also like to acknowledge the support of our sponsors, companies who play a vital part in the home design market, as well as in our TIDA Awards programme. Thanks firstly to our associate sponsors, Rosine and Bremworth. And thanks also to our presentation sponsor, Adjacent Communications. One of the key aspects of good design is how it takes the challenges that each project presents and works through solutions that seemingly turn a negative into a positive. On one level, this may mean working within a restricted budget, or the site itself may have challenging aspects, such as a steep slope, awkward orientation, or difficult dimensions. Or there's pressure to develop a home that fulfills the owner's space requirements in a cohesive way that complements the home's architecture, whether the project is a new build or a renovation. Our TIDA Homes entries come from architects and designers who had to address some or all of these factors, resulting in some very impressive homes from around the country. So let's move on and see the results. The TIDA Homes categories include homes by architects, building designers, and interior designers. Our first group today are those entries that were highly commended across all those various categories. Congratulations to all our highly commended entries. Moving on now to our next awards, presented to the runners-up in the different categories. From time to time, it can be particularly difficult to choose one project over another for an award, especially when the contenders are in a very different style. That was the case in the renovation category this year, and as a result, the judges decided to give two runner-up awards in this categories. So in no particular order, here are our TIDA Homes runners-up. Congratulations to our runners-up. And now it's time for our final awards, our category winners. Homes that have not only met the demands and challenges of the brief, but have done so in innovative and sometimes surprising ways. First up is the award for interior design. Winner of the 2022 TIDA Australia Interior Design of the Year is Gavin Hepper of Concepts by Gavin Hepper.
Inspired by the industrial loft-style living of Manhattan, the base architecture of this new home features exposed steel beams, polished concrete floors, raw textured recycled bricks, Tasmanian oak-lined ceilings, and reclaimed timber. The epicenter of the home is undoubtedly the kitchen and connected living areas, with thoughtful design ensuring a cohesive flow throughout these spaces. Materials were specified for their durability and robustness, with matte finishes and darker tones selected to contrast with the architectural features. The owners requested tones of green be included as a symbol of new beginnings and growth, and this has been used in the kitchen, main bathroom, ensuite, and powder room. Materials such as the basaltina countertops and oak joinery also connect the various interior spaces. The TIDA judges felt that the result was a bold, moody, and robust interior design that provides a sense of harmony throughout this family home. Congratulations to Gavin Hepper of Concepts by Gavin Hepper, winner of the TIDA Australia Interior Design of the Year.
Moving on now to our award for a renovation project. Winner of the 2022 TIDA Australia Renovation of the Year is Clinton Cole and Carmen Chan of C+C Architectural Workshop.
An 1884 dual-frontage Victorian terrace house was the starting point for this dramatic transformation into a home with ample light-filled space for family members to entertain and to enjoy time together or apart. Achieving this required innovative thinking, given that the light industrial zone site was narrow and unusually long and had warehouse buildings on either side. The home now opens from an unassuming exterior to reveal a fascinating internal focus that more than compensates for the lack of views. Bold 3.8 metre high louvers and skylights create patterns of light and shade that vary with season and time of day. An accordion design compresses and connects the vast spaces, expressed by a reoccurring zigzag motif in the floors, the louver windows, and even the kitchen bench. External elements are used inside, and the outdoors is featured throughout with the expansive use of glass. This was a renovation project that immediately caught the TIDA judges' attention, a topsy-turvy design that deliberately confounds perspective by bringing the outside in. Congratulations to C+C Architecture Workshop, winner of the TIDA Australia Renovation of the Year.
Next is our category for new homes by building designers. Winner of the 2022 TIDA Australia Design a New Home of the Year is Alex Urena of Alex Urena Design Studio.
Sitting on a headland overlooking the water, this 3-story house was designed to make the most of ocean views from all main living spaces. Having the garage partly underground provided an elevated level for bedrooms and open-plan living areas, which cantilevers at both ends. Underneath the rear cantilevered balcony, a semi-underground terrace and gym look out over the pool to take in the view. The upper-level master suite also enjoys wide ocean outlooks, including from a feature picture window between the bedroom and enclosed ensuite. Recycled hardwood windows and doors, custom joinery, as well as charred timber cladding and concrete details provide a perfect palette and blend of materials between exteriors and interiors. For the TIDA judges, this home definitely achieves the required interaction with its surroundings, while its interiors provide a relaxed, beach-influenced lifestyle for its owners. Congratulations to Alex Urena Design Studio, winner of the TIDA Australia Designer New Home of the Year.
Our final award category today is for New Homes Designed by Architects. Winner of the 2022 TIDA Australia Architect New Home of the Year is Fletcher Hawkins of R Architecture.
In response to the steep slope of the site, this house cascades down from street level, breaking up the ground floor spaces into 3 levels to create zones within the floor plan. A simple and restrained palette of stone and dark-stained timber batten cladding gives a sense of luxury to the front facade. This is balanced by metal accents and cascading plants and complemented by polished concrete render and black panel cladding, resulting in a modern and sophisticated look for the exterior. Inside, a central entry with double height ceilings and a feature stairway splits the house, providing separation and privacy between the living and sleeping spaces. The stepping of the site also allows for 4-metre-high ceilings in the main living space, where large expanses of glass connect the kitchen, dining and living areas to the pool, terrace and garden. The TIDA judges felt that this elegant home demonstrated how flexible and multiple living spaces can be developed to provide residents with highly attractive individual as well as shared zones. Congratulations to Fletcher Hawkins of R Architecture, winner of the TIDA Australia Architect New Home of the Year.
Congratulations to our 4 TIDA Homes category winners, who all now go forward into the international section of TIDA Homes to be judged again, this time alongside award winners from other countries. Thanks for joining us for this year's TIDA Homes Awards presentation. We'll be back next year with our 3 awards: TIDA Kitchens, Bathrooms and Homes. Here's looking forward to seeing more of the world-class homes that Australian architects and designers produce. See you then.